Good evening. I'm doing this video to show the errors I'm getting on the code. So this is the code. All the codes I did the same as you did on your video. So but I'm getting this error when I try to execute the work schedule table adapter delete command. It gives me emp id, store id, day id. So, and then the error description, it say too many arguments to public overridable overloads function delete as integer. So to get out of these errors, I go to the schedule dataset, work schedule dataset. I click on work schedule table adapter. I go to properties. I go to the delete command and delete from delete command test. I just write a parameter saying delete from work schedule where emp id equal question mark and store id equal question mark and day id equal question mark. Okay, emp id, store id and day id. So I click OK. When I click OK, it automatically write the parameters. I go back to the properties, work schedule table adapter properties. I click the button and it shows me all the parameters. Where employee ID equal parameter 1, store ID equal parameter 2, and day ID parameter 3. But once this is integer, I have to replace the equal sign as like, and parameter 1 will be emp id store id equal will be replaced by like, and then parameter 2 will be store id and day id replace the equal sign with like. At parameter 3 will be day id. So I say OK. It immediately apply the change. If we go back, we see delete from work schedule where employee ID like employee ID, store ID like store ID, and day ID like day ID. So we go back to the form, the code. Okay, the squiggly line disappear, so it means the delete command property was applied to the code. So when I try to run the application, I start the project. Unable to apply this change while debugging. See documented settings. I think because I'm running two projects at the same time, the screen recorder Let me stop debugging, and then I'm gonna try to run again. I'm gonna try to run again. I'm gonna run again to see if the started debugging build successfully. It's too slow. So what I want to demonstrate is that it's not working. The program is not working. I don't know why. I need your help to see where did I miss. Taking so long to open the okay, here it goes. You see, you open the project. For example, if I want to delete Smith, I click the button, delete employee from schedule, write the name Smith. I click OK, and it doesn't work, you see. I don't know what's the problem. When I try to delete the icon, according to the modifications I did and code you gave me, it's not working. I want to see where did I miss, so you can help me. Thank you. Have a nice day.